If you're trying to figure out how to set up a project board for your remote team, this quick guide is going to save you hours of trial and error. I've tested all the most popular project management tools so you don't have to, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean, organized project board up and running that your entire team can follow. Plus, if you want to follow along using the same software I recommend, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel linked in the description. Start by signing up for the software we'll be using. Again, that free trial link is below. Once you're in, choose Create New Project. Name your project based on your team or the goal, something like website redesign or Q2 marketing campaign. This helps keep things clear when you have multiple boards. Now we're building the structure. Use the default board view. It's the easiest for remote teams to collaborate in real time. Think of each column as a stage in your process. To do, in progress, review, and done. These stages give your team clarity on where each task stands at any moment. Next, start creating tasks. Each task should be a single, clear action item. For example, instead of saying work on blog, break it down. Write draft for April blog post, get feedback from team, schedule blog in CMS. Be specific. Remote teams need clarity. Assign each task to a team member and set due dates. This keeps accountability tight and avoids the who's doing what confusion that happens so often with remote work. You can also add priority tags or color labels to highlight what's urgent or what's blocked. Now add checklists or subtasks inside each card if needed. This is especially helpful when a task has multiple small steps. For example, create landing page might include write copy, design mockup, build page, QA test. Use the comment section in each task to keep all communication centralized. No more scattered Slack messages or emails. Everything stays attached to the task. Make it a habit to review the board in a weekly team sync. You can drag tasks between columns to reflect real progress, which makes your board a living system instead of a static list. Encourage everyone to update their own cards to keep things current. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. A clean, clear project board is the single most effective way to keep a remote team aligned, productive, and moving forward without constant check-ins. Quick recap, create a board using the software we linked below. Name your project clearly, set up columns for each workflow stage. Add detailed tasks and assign them with due dates. Use checklists, comments, and labels to boost clarity. Review and update the board regularly. And don't forget, if you want to follow along and build your board using the same tool I'm using here, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel in the description below. I highly recommend you take advantage of it. Thanks for watching. Go get your project board set up and let your remote team thrive.